Different rubber stamp mounts offer many different benefits. Here we'll show you the advantages of 3 different stamp mount options, so you can choose the right mount for you. Traditional and wooden rubber stamps have been around the longest and are still very popular today. They offer a crafty and natural feel and are definitely a cost-effective option. But it's important to remember that they require a separate ink pad and rely on your hand pressure. These are go-to stamps for crafters because they can be used with different colors and types of ink. If you have a job that requires rapid and repetitive stamping, then a self-inking stamp is your answer. Each mount has a self-contained ink pad which re-inks the rubber die before every impression. They use water-based ink for less bleed-through and come in a variety of colors. Self-inking mounts will last thousands of impressions, and they can easily be refilled to keep them stamping. Pre-ink stamps offer crisp and sharp impressions every time. This mount comes with a pre-inked cartridge that allows the ink to flow through the die plate to make the impression. They use oil-based ink that's perfect for stamping intricate details, such as signatures or notary seals. Another great benefit is they're virtually silent and require minimum pressure, which makes them perfect for a quiet office. Pre-inked stamps are the most expensive option and may require a few seconds between rapid stamping. However, they provide up to 25,000 high-quality impressions before re-inking, which makes them completely worth it. Whatever your needs, there are rubber stamp mounts that can make your life or work so much easier. To see all of our custom stamps and ink color options, visit RubberStamps.com.